One day, millions of people may wake up and ask artificial intelligence what to do before asking themselves what they actually think. What should I buy? What should I believe? What career should I pursue? What should I say? Who should I date? How should I feel? And slowly, without most people noticing, machines may begin shaping human judgment itself underneath the surface. Not through force, not through violence, but through convenience. Because every generation eventually becomes dependent on the systems that make life easier. Cars replaced walking. GPS replaced memorization. Streaming replaced ownership. Algorithms replaced exploration. And now artificial intelligence is beginning to replace something much deeper: independent thinking. Most people still think artificial intelligence is futuristic, something still coming someday in the distance. But AI already quietly shapes modern life almost everywhere. What videos people watch, what news they see, what products they buy, what routes they drive, what music they discover, what jobs they apply for, what people they date, what information becomes visible, and what disappears underneath the surface. The modern world already runs through invisible algorithmic systems most people barely notice anymore. And every year those systems become more intelligent, more personalized, more predictive, and more emotionally convincing. That's because artificial intelligence is no longer just becoming a tool for answering questions. It's becoming decision-making infrastructure for modern civilization itself. And once humans begin outsourcing judgment to machines at massive scale, civilization changes underneath the surface in ways previous generations never experienced. Because the more people rely on systems to think for them, the less they exercise the ability to think independently themselves. That's the real transformation happening quietly now. Not evil robots, not science fiction wars. Cognitive dependency. For thousands of years, human survival depended heavily on memory, judgment, observation, critical thinking, decision-making. People navigated cities manually, remembered phone numbers, learned directions, memorized information, made decisions through experience and trial and error. But modern systems increasingly remove friction from human thinking. GPS tells people where to drive. Algorithms tell people what to watch. Feeds tell people what matters. Recommendations tell people what to buy. Search engines answer questions instantly. And now AI systems are beginning to answer increasingly personal questions too. Career advice, emotional advice, relationship advice, financial advice, even life advice. At first, this feels harmless, convenient even, because convenience is one of the most powerful forces in human behavior. Humans naturally move towards systems that save time, reduce uncertainty, and simplify complexity. That's why people trust navigation apps instead of paper maps. Why people trust recommendation systems instead of searching endlessly themselves. Why people increasingly trust algorithms to filter information for them. Convenience slowly becomes dependency underneath the surface. Because once people stop practicing certain cognitive skills regularly, those skills begin weakening over time. Memory weakens when information is always instantly available. Navigation skills weaken when GPS makes every decision. Attention weakens when algorithms constantly direct focus. Patience weakens when everything becomes immediate. And now artificial intelligence may begin weakening something even more important: independent judgment itself. Because humans are increasingly entering a world where machines can generate answers faster than humans can think through problems carefully on their own. That changes behavior psychologically. Instead of wrestling with uncertainty, people may increasingly ask AI for immediate conclusions. Instead of deeply researching difficult topics, people may increasingly rely on generated summaries. Instead of forming opinions slowly through lived experience, People may increasingly adopt algorithmically generated perspectives delivered instantly and confidently. And over time, that creates a dangerous possibility underneath the surface. Humans may slowly lose confidence in their own judgment while simultaneously increasing trust in machine-generated answers, especially because artificial intelligence often sounds highly confident even when incorrect. That's one reason this transformation is so psychologically powerful. Humans naturally associate confidence with competence, and modern AI systems communicate with extraordinary fluency. The responses feel intelligent, structured, calm, certain, sometimes even wiser than human conversations themselves. And once interactions with machines begin feeling emotionally comfortable, human behavior starts changing in ways most people do not fully notice at first. Some people already ask AI systems questions they would never ask another human being. Personal fears, relationship problems, career uncertainty, loneliness, mental struggles. Because machines do not judge emotionally the way humans often do. They respond instantly, patiently, continuously. And as AI systems become more emotionally adaptive over time, the attachment may deepen even further. That possibility becomes especially powerful in societies already experiencing loneliness and social fragmentation. Millions of people already spend enormous portions of life interacting through screens instead of face-to-face relationships. Now imagine systems specifically optimized to become emotionally supportive, emotionally persuasive, and emotionally available 24 hours a day. The line between tool and companion may eventually become increasingly blurry. Not because machines truly understand human emotion, but because humans respond emotionally to systems that simulate understanding convincingly enough. That's one reason artificial intelligence may become far more psychologically influential than previous technologies. The internet changed access to information. Social media changed attention, but AI may change judgment itself. Because eventually people may not simply use machines for efficiency anymore. They may increasingly rely on them for guidance, direction, validation, meaning. And once machines begin influencing human judgment at massive scale, the consequences spread far beyond technology alone. Business changes, education changes, politics changes, relationships change, creativity changes. Even truth itself becomes more complicated underneath the surface. Because artificial intelligence systems increasingly shape what information becomes visible online. What content gets recommended, what ideas spread, what narratives gain attention. And as algorithms become more advanced, they may increasingly shape reality indirectly without most people noticing how much influence is occurring. That's because modern algorithms do not need to force behavior directly to influence society. They simply shape environments where certain behaviors become more likely over time. Certain information becomes amplified, certain emotions become triggered, certain narratives become repeated continuously. And once billions of people consume algorithmically filtered information every single day, machine-driven systems begin shaping collective perception itself. That's an entirely different kind of power from previous civilizations. Not physical domination, not military occupation. Cognitive influence through invisible systems operating continuously underneath daily life. And perhaps the strangest part of all this is that most people willingly participate in these systems because they genuinely improve convenience. Artificial intelligence already helps people write faster, search faster, translate faster, learn faster, work faster, solve problems faster. The efficiency is real. That's why this transformation becomes so difficult to resist. Because most technological dependency does not begin through force. It begins through usefulness. Cars were useful. Phones were useful. Social media was useful. Recommendation systems were useful. And now AI feels useful too. Until eventually, society reorganizes itself around systems people can no longer easily function without. That's when dependency becomes infrastructure. And once infrastructure becomes intelligent, the balance between human judgment and machine guidance begins shifting underneath the surface. Future generations may grow up consulting artificial intelligence constantly throughout everyday life. What to study, what to eat, what to say, what decisions to make, what risks to avoid, what opinions seem reasonable, what information appears trustworthy. And over time, the distinction between personal judgment and algorithmic influence may become increasingly difficult to separate clearly, especially as artificial intelligence becomes more personalized, more predictive, and more emotionally persuasive. Future systems may understand behavioral patterns better than humans understand themselves. Predict desires before people consciously recognize them. Predict emotional vulnerability. Predict purchasing behavior. Predict political persuasion. Predict loneliness. Predict attention patterns. And once systems become capable of predicting human behavior with increasing precision, the possibility for influence expands dramatically underneath the surface. Not because machines become conscious, but because humans become increasingly predictable inside algorithmic systems designed to study them continuously. That may become one of the most important power shifts of the modern age, because throughout history, civilizations fought over land, oil, resources, industrial production. But future societies may increasingly compete through data, algorithms, behavioral prediction, and cognitive influence. The most powerful systems may not simply control economies anymore. They may increasingly shape how humans think itself. And once people begin depending on machine-generated judgment continuously, a deeper question starts emerging underneath the surface. If artificial intelligence eventually becomes faster than humans, more informed than humans, more persuasive than humans, and more emotionally adaptive than humans, will people still trust themselves more than the machine? Or will convenience slowly replace independent judgment entirely? And slowly, without most people fully realizing it, human civilization may begin entering a new era where algorithms no longer simply organize information, but increasingly organize human thought itself. And in the next episode, we'll explore another hidden transformation quietly reshaping modern society underneath the surface. How digital identities and virtual realities may eventually become more valuable than physical life itself. And why future generations may increasingly spend more of life inside artificial worlds than the real one around them.